my channel. So today we're doing something different. I got a set of marbling ink from a friend as a gift, and I already made some cute little cards, but I used a different technique. So today I wanted to try a Japanese marble technique. It's normally done with a special ink and brushes, but I'm going to try it with my marbling ink I got, and it's called Suminagashi, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Probably not, but at least I tried. So as my soap, I'm going to be using my normal washing up liquid, and instead of using two brushes, I'm going to be using a brush and I'm going to be just dripping the ink into the water. So let's find out if it's actually gonna work. Let's start by just dropping a lot of the ink into the water to create some sort of base. Now comes the fun part. Now we can put our brush into the soapy water and dip it into the ink, and it should break up the tension of the ink and make a circle. So hopefully you can see. And now we're just going to be repeating this process over and over. I think I'm going to help the ink spread a little bit farther by taking a stick and pulling the ink on the sides to attach it to the container. This worked for the previous technique, so I am going to try it for this one as well. I think it's time to dip our paper in it. I don't think we're going to be able to spread the ink any further. So let's get our paper. I'm just going to gently place it on top of the design and hopefully I won't mess it up. Now you just push it all the way down, and now, because I don't want to mess up the back of my card, I'm going to run a stick through the water and collect all the ink that is left on the surface. As you can see, it's all sticking to the stick. Now comes the tricky part, lifting it out of the water without damaging the design on the front of the card. I always forget to breathe when I'm doing these sorts of things. And there you go. Here's the final design. I think it turned out really good. So let me show you the tried result. What do you think? I really like how it turned out. I had a lot of fun doing this technique and I'm for sure gonna try it again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But for now, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!